Hi students, let's look at the chords for Do You Want to Know a Secret? And I'm not speaking about the sliding, but I'm talking about the beginning. The sliding chords, the E to E flat minor to D minor are going to be they're going to be tough enough. But the opening was what I wanted to look at right now. And this was the C minor, the ring finger down on the, this is the, this part. You'll never know. So it's just, all the strings are played, but you have this one finger down. I'm using the third finger because it's the third fret. You can actually put the second finger on top of it if you need more help, but it's the you'll never know how much I, then the F minor, and then that E flat. You'll never know. Oh, let me make sure I'm telling you right. Let me go back. E flat was right. Yeah, E flat. You'll never know how much I really care. So that was a C sharp, the fourth chord. You have the C minor, F minor, back to C minor, then the E flat, and then you put your first finger. Let me raise up my. So let me get more light in here. Okay, and so you have the E flat. You'll never know how much I really care. So it's E flat. And that C sharp, that's going to take a while. First finger is on all of the first fret, all four strings. The thumb is pressuring, and then you have your pinky on the fourth fret. Today we had a question about the F minor, if the pinky was on the third or fourth fret. Well, that's the third fret. But the C sharp is the fourth. Then a G. And then there is a tab. And it's this. So the third finger stays planted on the second string. And it's 3, open, 3. We're talking about the first string. Then the first fret's down on the first string. Back to that static G, that's the third finger. And then a second finger. So in rhythm, you just did, you'll never know how much I really love you. You'll never know how much I really care. Then listen, do you want to know secret? Okay, you did the C sharp G. You can keep that third finger right there. Listen. Okay, that's all for now.